Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discussing about decorate with mirrors, designs and ideas for your home, decor ideas for a stunning look. So decorate your home with these stunning, gorgeous, fantastic and quickly mirror ideas to bring some flair to your home. And mirrors can be intriguing and stylish too, apart from their basic functionality. And this types of designs plays very important role in our home. It is common to add them above a dresser or in the bathroom for grooming yet experimenting with mirrors all over the home can bring you some stunning results. That's why here is how you can decorate with mirrors to give your room a wow factor, and especially decorate with mirrors to make your space appear larger. One of the biggest benefits of mirrors is that they can make your space look larger. Your space look larger, so more than just giving you mirror decor ideas, we are here to help you create a more functional space. If you have a small room and a tight budget, use strips of mirrors instead of a full one to make the room look big without being expensive. A great way to fill up black wall and keep it subtle without flashy colors and wall treatments is to add mirror decor as an accent piece. A simple mirror or a decorative one can change the look of the room in a jiffy. So mirror decoration for accent furniture designs and ideas. This is the most popular and trendy designs in 2023, and people wants to decorate our home like this. So we hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, comment this video in the comment box and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.